So this is a test to see if the one button on recording feature for the GoPro actually works with an external microphone. It would be super nice if it did, because that means I could start using it. I think the last one that had it was the GoPro Hero 4. So hey, if it's working, that means maybe this will be a moto vlog. So if it is working and it's actually recording my voice, I am headed up to Orlando Harley Davidson. I actually have in my swing arm bag a moving strap, you know, like one of those ratchet strap tie down things for Aaron, who needs it. So yeah, he lent me some straps a while back whenever we got stranded up at Ace, and it was just an absolute downpour. And Miss Blockhead basically told myself and Reese that we were stupid if we rode back in the torrential downpour of rain that was happening. And seriously, like, streets were flooded, cars were flipped over, you know, like streets turned into rivers. It was insane. It would have totally been stupid for us to ride back in that. So he ended up having an extra strap, came up there with Miss Block to help us load the bikes in the back of the truck. It was super easy because they're Groms. Hey look, a free little washer scrubber thing. Yeah, so he lent me a strap so we could strap down the Groms. He needs them because they're going to be hauling their bikes over Thanksgiving down to South Florida, where their family is. And it's actually over lunch, so Reese called and said that there was a Blockhead subscriber up at Orlando Harley asking if I was around. So I basically told Aaron, I'm like, hey man, you gonna grab lunch, meet me at Orlando Harley, we can eat there, I can give you the strap. It's kind of like a middle point for the both of us, so it works out, I guess. I don't know if the subscriber's still going to be there, but if they are, cool. Otherwise, yeah, this is just a totally random moto vlog. Oh, butterfly. Get out of traffic, you crazy suicidal butterfly. The weather outside is awesome. It's great for riding motorcycles. We struggled through hot all summer. Let it cold, let it cold, let it cold. These cars are pissing me off. They're pacing each other. So let's go. Gangsta scooter guy. He had that paisley bandana tied around his face, looking all gangsta. Damn it, now I have a freaking Christmas song stuck in my head. The weather outside is frightful, something, something. I don't even know how it goes. So the weather outside is frightful, but the something's so delightful. Whenever there's no... Is that how it goes? I don't even know how it goes. Damn. Yo, so Carvana right here, they put on this event the other day, over the weekend, right? Well, so one of the food trucks that I actually did some design work for was there. So we walk up and they've got like this check-in tent area, and there's names basically like already printed off on stickers. Well, we didn't know that it was going to be like invite only, so you know, we're walking up and I was like, oh, is it invite only? And they were like, well, have you bought a car from us? And Miss Block and I are like, no. So I was like, no, you know, we haven't, but I work with that food truck. You know, I basically said that I've worked with them before. And the woman was like, oh, okay, like just write your names down. And she gave us these lanyards. And dude, it was like the best crash of a event ever, because we each got like little tickets, and those little, it was like 3 tickets per person, and then each one of those you could basically redeem for a meal. So they had 3 food trucks there, so you could get 1 meal from any one of the food trucks for free, and then you could get a popsicle, which the popsicles they had there were bomb, and then you could get a t-shirt. So we got fed, dessert, and a t-shirt, all for free. It was awesome. Which is funny because Miss Blockhead and I have talked about crashing a party. Party crasher. I wouldn't necessarily as like crashing a party, but we did enjoy it. Good food, good burgers, good popsicle, free shirt. Cool. It was a good event. Very well put together. What up? Orlando Harley. Alright, be right back. Alright, so got Aaron his strap. Said what up to a couple people. Got to meet a subscriber, Don.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Oh, man.
You're in a video now.
Right.
Anyways, awesome to meet you, man. Greatly appreciate the continued support. Man, I love the feeling of riding a motorcycle. Makes you forget everything. Which, I mean, I know that sounds totally cliche, you know? It's like whenever people say it's nothing like riding a motorcycle. It really isn't. They're just so much fun. Oh, look. That's a bike that just got fixed up. So, dude. Belongs to one of the Iron Lilies. Bike got wrecked, unfortunately. I think, yeah, it was like some of the front end had to be replaced. The forks were messed up or something like that. I don't even know who owns it. All I know is it says Iron Lilies on the back, and it's a very different color for a Sportster. It's like that Tiffany blue or something. Aqua. I don't even know what kind of blue you call it, but Jip. Will this be a random short episode? See, sometimes, man, like episodes like this, I just got nothing to talk about. Alright, I probably have stuff to talk about, but you just don't want to have to talk about something specifically every time you ride, you know? Been stupid busy with motorcycle stuff lately, man. Florida Moto meet, test rides, and Miss Block getting her new bike, and me deciding to sell the Lowrider S. It has been crazy in the Blockhead household and the motorcycle culture. Anyways, the busyness continues. If this is an episode, hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. And hit that bell icon also, you know, so it'll notify you whenever there's a Blockhead upload. Till next time, you guys ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys later. Deuces.